Hey, it's Marco, and in this video I'm going to show you how to check battery health on your iPhone. Before we begin with this video, please subscribe to the channel and like this video, it helps me out a lot. So what you want to do is go to settings, and from settings you want to scroll down until you see a battery. Then you want to tap on battery, and here you will see when was the last charge. It was charged to 100%. Your battery levels, you can also see screen on, screen off time, what battery is using the most of your battery, which apps are using the most of your battery. But if you want to check the battery health, you want to click on battery health and charging. As you can see, my maximum capacity is at 87%, and anything above 80% is good. So if you were to have this 80, so I have 87, but if you were to have it below 80, I would advise you to replace your battery with a new one. And one more option is that you want to have the optimized charging turned on, because to reduce battery aging, iPhone learns from a daily charging routine, so that it can wait to finish charging past 80% until you need to use it, and that furthermore improves your battery health. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe. If you're still having some issues, let me know what was the problem in the comments down below.